My name is Dr. Nasir Rashid. I am professor at College of Electrical and Mechanical Engineering, which is the constituent college of NUST. These days, the modern vehicles, all the modern vehicles, they use onboard computer and sensors in their engines. And it can only be diagnosed with the help of specified and specific equipment. Those equipments are supplied by the OEMs, and then they are very expensive and they are not available in large number. So the problem was given to develop it locally in an indigenous phase. And we shortlisted the vehicle, which is Land Rover Defender Jeep, which is being used in Pakistan in a very large number. So this idea was conceived to develop an indigenously develop a diagnostic scanner for this. This diagnostic scanner actually takes care of the failure of the sensors, if it is any, so it indicates. Number two, when the vehicle engine is overhauled, it has to be tested for correction of all the sensors. So we have developed this. This has been tested and it has passed all the tests. It is compatible with OEM, and we have supplied 8 of these pieces to different workshops overall in all the country, and that those workshops are using it for the after the overhaul and diagnosis of the engine.